Hello once again, everybody. It's 11:18 and 35 seconds on the 28th of November. This is the final mini for the Detective 85, graded 2.5, the Joker cover. This one has 24 filled spots right here. So in this one, whoever comes in first place in the mini will get the first 7 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 3 open spots in the main, and whoever comes in third place will win the final 2 spots in the main, and then I will immediately run the main. So let's roll the 3 dice for this final mini. Number is 10. Best of luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final roll. Kev Stitch comes in first, Will Lehman, and then Kev Stitch. So it would be Kev getting the first 7, Will getting the next 3, Kev getting the final 2. Time is 11:19 and 40.